This is our extendable boat hook. At this end it's got quite a prominent hook that makes it suitable for catching lines, buoys, mooring lines, whatever it might be. And then you've got a blunt end here should you wish to fend off, push something away, another boat or a jetty. You've got a handle at this end to make reaching and grabbing easier, and in the middle here, if we twist it, the hook is extendable in length. When it's fully compacted, it's 1.27 metres long, and when it's fully extended, gently up to the stop, twist, and fully extended, we are 201 centimetres long. So you can use it anywhere along the length. Shaft is aluminium. It's quite sturdy, you know, it's not easy to bend. It's got quite a bit of strength in it. And the end here is securely riveted on both sides, making it quite a strong hook attachment for pulling. And that's it, and that's our extendable boat hook.